Welcome to Culinary Adventures. Today's recipe, mushroom salad. As always, please subscribe to my channel. We'll start by boiling mushrooms in salted water. I've prepared 500 g of clean mushrooms, now adding them to the pot. I cover and simmer for about 10 minutes. If you have larger mushrooms, it's best to cut them into smaller pieces. After cooking, I drain them in a colander and let them cool. Once cooled, I gently squeeze out excess water. Remember not to press too hard as we want to keep their shape. As you can see, mine still look like mushrooms. We're just removing extra water, then set them aside on a plate. Now for the ingredients I've prepared. Everything's finely chopped. We'll add a can of corn, 2 spoons of chopped parsley, a heaping teaspoon of mustard, and 3 spoons of mayo. Mix it all together. Remember to season well, using plenty of pepper and a bit less salt. Transfer the salad to a nice bowl and garnish with some diced red onion and parsley. The salad's ready to serve. As you can see, it's super simple. Comment, subscribe, and like. Let me know if you've tried this salad before. I invite you to watch my other videos. Bye for now. See you in the next one.